Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. So in this video, we'll be looking at Logarithms Class 8 Maths Techno into packages. So we'll begin. Now Pearl package first question, we have log a cube minus log b square. Now how do you simplify this? Just you will send this power here. Am I correct? Because using the law log m power n is equal to n log m. That's it. So we are going to do the same thing here and apply. So 3 log A minus 2 log B is the answer. So which is option A. The second question we'll see, which is quite different one, but yeah, we can easily solve it. Now 1 by log 2 in like log base 2 log base 2 log 16 to the base 2. Okay, now this one how we will solve is first 1 by what you have, same thing, log base 2 log base 2 and log 16, how you can write it as 2 power 4 to the base, again the same base 2. Correct. Now what I'm going to do is this 4, what generally what we'll do, we'll move it backward, that is before the log, right? We all know that law. So 1 by log 2 to the base 2 log, again here log base 2 and 4 will be there. Sorry, because this log 2 to the base 2, it is 1, right? It will get eliminated. This 4, whatever is the power, will come forward and become the number here. I hope you understood, because log a to the base a is nothing but 1, right? So same thing here, we have 2, so that value has become 1. So the what this 4 will go here and it will become 1 by log base 2 log 4 to the base 2. Okay, now what we are going to do, 1 by log base 2 log 4 can be written as 2 square, so let it be 2 square to the base 2. Right, now this 2 power whatever is there, I'm going to send it backwards similarly. So what it is going to be, 1 by log 2 to the base 2, because this log 2 to the base 2, it will become 1, right? So this 2 when it is going to LHS, it becomes log 2 to the base 2. Now again this is also 1 only, right? Now 1 by 1 is 1 only. So what is the answer? 1, which is option B. Okay, that I hope 1 and 2 questions are clear to you. Actually they are very simple, right? Yeah, so let's move forward. Next question, 2 log x minus 3 log y plus 7 log z. You have to find the answer for this, right? So first what I'm going to do is just I'm going to write it in the power form. So now when we have n log m, we can just write it as log m to the power n, just the converse of the law which we have used previously, right? Yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing, log x square, because this power will be for x, understood? Similarly, minus log y cube plus log z power 7. Now I hope until here it is very much clear to you all, right? Now when you have minus, what we generally do, we make a division. So log x square by y cube, and here we have addition, it will become multiplication, so z power 7. That's it, that is the answer, right? So where do we find this option? In B. So answer is B, right? Next, fourth question you have to see, which is also similar to the previous question, that is the second one, right? Let's solve this. Now log 2 log base 2 log base 2 log base 3 log 125 cube to the base 5. Okay, so let's solve this, which is also quite a simple one, but we will do it. Now log base 2 log base 2 log base 3 Log 125 can be written as 5 cube, and whole cube was already there, so let it be like that, to the base 5. Correct. So now what is the power? That is a power m into a n is equal to a power mn. So now a power 3 whole power 3 is equal to a power 9. Right, so same thing, now 5 power 9 we are going to get. Am I correct? So log base 2, log base 2, log base 3, sorry, 3, log 5 power 9 and to the base 5. Now same thing, this 9 it will go backward because log m power n is nothing but n log m. Right, so with that law this 9 will go come forward of log. Okay, so now log base 2, log base 2, log 9 to the base 3 will be left out because log 5 to the base 5, this will become 1. Value is 1, right? When log a to the base a, see when same base and same number, the value is going to be 1, right? That is clear to you. Now, here again log base 2, log base 2 and log 9 is nothing but 3 square and to the base 3. Now this 2, what we're going to do, send it before log. We know why, right? Now log base 2, sorry, log 2 to the base 2, because log 3 to the base 3 has become 1, right? Value is 1, that's why this 2 will come in front. Now log 2 to the base 2 is nothing but 1. So what is left out actually? Only log 2 to the base 1. Sorry, log 1 to the base 2. Because this is 1, right? So simply 1 is I have put there. Okay. Now I have to find the value, but I have options in numbers. So how do I do that? I am going to equate it to some unknown value, let it be x. Now just write it in the exponential form. What it is going to be, x square is equal to, sorry, 2 power x is equal to 1, because 2 is the base and x will be the power, is equal to 1. Now 1 can also write it as 2 power 0. Now when bases are same, powers will be equal, like when you have equal to in middle. So x is equal to 0. That means all this value is just 0, because I have just took an unknown value like x, right? So that's why x is equal to 0. So the answer is option B, which is 0. I hope this problem is completely clear to you all. Next, fifth question we have to see, log b to the base a is equal to c. Then find out log a to the base 1 by b. Now first we will convert this into exponential form from its logarithmic form. So log b to the base a is equal to c is nothing but a power c is equal to b. Am I correct? Now if I want a, then what is it going to be? B to the power 1 by c. Correct. Now I hope until here it is clear to you all. Right. Now what I am going to do? Now a value, what is it? B to the power 1 by c. So what I am going to do? I am going to substitute this value instead of this a. Understood? So let me put that log b. Yeah, it's sure that we're going to substitute that a value as b to the power 1 by c, but here, okay, see, what we have to find, log log a to the base 1 by b, right? So log, what is a? B to the power 1 by c, and 1 by b can be written as b to the power minus 1. Am I correct? So that only I'm going to use here, to the base b to the power minus 1. Okay, now these are the powers, right? So it'll, for this number it will go forward, this will be the new denominator. We all know this laws, right? If you want, I'll write the law. Log m power n and to the base a power b, it is nothing but n by b log m to the base a. So using this identity, we are going to write that 1 by c forward. In the front place, we are going to write it. So 1 by c divided by minus 1 log b to the base b. Now log b base b is both the number and base is same, right? So it is nothing but 1. Simply we can write it as 1. Now minus 1 by c multiplied by 1 is nothing but minus 1 by c. So the answer for this question is option D. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. So sixth one, log sine 1 degree into log sine 2 degree, so on to log sine 179 degree is 0, because when you have all the values and when you multiply it, sure it is going to be 0, which is option A. Okay, now for the seventh one, this question is like kind of different one, but it is very easy. Now 1 by log a to the base b is nothing but what? Log b to the base a. Right, this is one of the law which we have studied in AM2. So using this law, I'm going to write this 1 by log ABC to the base a. It is going to be log a to the base ABC plus log b to the base ABC plus log c to the base ABC. Understood? You are using that law only I have written in this way. Just this will interchange when it is reciprocal. Right, we have learnt and seen so many problems. Now here all the bases are same. Okay, so no need to consider it. No worries. So when all are in addition, it will become multiplication, right? So log ABC is the answer. Correct. Now log ABC is nothing but 1. Understood? Because the base is also ABC only here. So log ABC to the base ABC is 1, because both this number and base is the same. So option is C option. Okay. Now we will look at the emerald package. So emerald package, first question, the value of log 27 to the base 9 minus log 9 to the base 27 is. So here this is very simple question. First, log 27 can be written as 3 cube and 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay, so minus log 9 can be written as 3 square, 27 can be written as 3 cube. Am I correct? Now this 3 will become the power here, and this in the sense not power, actually it will go forward. Okay, so it is going to be 3 by 2 log 3 to the base 3 minus 2 by 3 log 3 to the base 3. Now log 3 to the base 3 and log 3 to the base 3, what it is going to become? 1. Right, so simply you can just write it as 3 by 2 into 1 is 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 1 is 2 by 3. Now this is just simple fraction subtraction. You can take the LCM, which is going to be 6, and multiply with the desired number to bring out the value. Right, so 9 minus 4 divided by 6 is nothing but 5 by 6. So what is the option? It is option C. Let's move on to the second question. Log x cube to the base y square log y multiplied by log y cube to the base z square multiplied by log z cube to the base x square. Now for this it is very simple. First, for the number power, whatever it is there, 3, just multiply them. 3 into 3 into 3, what is it? 9 3 27. Now multiply the basis powers. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2, what is it? 8. Now just this top powers, what it will go in the numerator, right? So 27, and the basis power will be the denominator. So 27 by 8 log xy, sorry, log x to the base y, log y to the base z, log z to the base x. That's it. Okay, so just I'll write it neatly in stepwise so that you can understand clearly. Okay, so I have multiplied everything, right? So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 27, and 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So into log x to the base y into log y to the base z into log z to the base x. Next, what we have to do here is, you should remember one law which we have already studied and used for one question in the challenges, right? So that is, if this base and number for anything, if it is the same, you can use this number instead of this number. Okay, so how you're going to write it is, I'll tell you. So 27 by 8 log, here and here is x, here also it is x. So just you bring that number and base y. Understood? And what was left out? This is left out, just write it like that. So log y to the base z. Am I correct? So next, what I'm going to do, here also this base and this y number, for this it is the same. So just put log z to the base z. So 27 by 8 log z to the base z. Okay, using that law only we are doing all this. Now log z to the base z, it is nothing but 1. So 27 by 8 into 1 is nothing but 27 by 8 only. Which is the option? It is D. Okay. Now third one, x square plus y square is equal to 23xy. Then find the value of 2 log x plus y. Now how do we solve this question is, first we are going to add 2xy on both sides. Okay, so you just write the statement, and I'm going to erase the statement because space wouldn't be sufficient for me to solve on the screen. You write that statement. I'm going to add it now. So x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 23xy plus 2xy, because we have just added 2xy on both the sides for this. Correct. Now this is in the form of x plus y whole square, because x plus y whole square is only x square plus y square plus 2xy. Correct. So I'm just going to write it as x plus y whole square. Sorry, let me just erase all this. So x plus y whole square is equal to 23xy plus 2xy. You can just simply multiply this number, right? So what it is? 25xy common, you're going to just write it. So what is the value which is going to be here? 25xy. Understood? Okay, I hope until here you find it clear. Okay, now I'm going to bring the logarithms. Okay, so log x plus y whole square is there. Now this is power, right? 2. So it is going to be in front, is equal to log 25xy. Okay, now 2 log x plus y is equal to log 25 can be written as 5 square, right? Multiplied by xy. Now we all know this law, right? Log m n p is equal to log m plus log n plus log p. Correct. So I'm going to apply this for this, right? So let me just simply apply it. Here it is y, here it is log. Okay. So 2 log x plus y is equal to, for the first one we are going to write it as 2 log 5, because the power for that 5 square is 2, right? So we are going to put it in front, plus log x plus log 1 is the answer for that. So which is the option? It is option B. Okay, so let's move on to the next fourth question. Yeah, so log 2 to the base 5 multiplied by log 5 to the base 11 multiplied by log 11 to the base 32. Here it is 11. Okay, let me change it, log 11. Okay, so let me solve it. when we have log a to the base b, there is a rule that we can write it as log a divided by log b. You remember this? So I'm going to write everything in this form. So log 2 divided by log 5 multiplied by log 5 by log 11 into log 11 by log 32. Understood? Now log 5 will get cancelled, log 11 will get cancelled. So what is left out? Log 2 by log 32. Now when you have something like log a by log b, it is nothing but log a to the base b. Same, converse is also true. Okay, so I'm going to write it in such a way now. Okay, so log 2 to the base 32. Now 32, how it can be written? 2 power 5 we can write it, right? So 2 power 5 I'm going to write it. So log 2 to the base 2 power 5. Now it is nothing but this 5 is for the denominator, right? Now whatever power is for the base, it will go for the denominator. So 1 by 5 log 2 to the base 2. Now what is the option? It is D. Okay, because this will become 1 and what will be left out? 1 by 5. Option is D. Okay, next question we'll see, which is fifth one, right? So what we have to do is 2 to the power log 5 to the base, 2 to the power log 25 to the base 4. Okay, so that is what is the question. Now how do we solve these kind of question is using the last identity which is there, that is a to the power log x to the base a is equal to x. Okay, so using this identity we will simply solve this question. Okay, so I will tell you how to solve it and how to make this I have written the formula, right? A log x to the base a is equal to x. Now we have to make this a's the same in order to get the answer just as x. Okay, now I'll tell you how to make this two a's the same. Okay, so let's do this question without any delay. So now 2 will be as this, to the power log 25 can be written as 5 square, 4 can be written as 2 square. Now remember this law, you have to recall this law. Log m to the power a to the base n to the power b is nothing but a by b log m to the base n. Same thing I'm going to do here as well. Okay, so let me do that. Is equal to 2 to the power 2 by 2, because both are same, right? 2's only. Log 5 to the base 2. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled and it will become 1. So 2 to the power log 5 to the base 2. Now this 2 and this 2 same, right? So answer is 5. Just this one you will write it as answer. So option it is D, right? So with this we have completed AM2 successfully. So we have one more aim to complete this logarithms as well as the maths techno textbook, right? So thanks for watching the video. Do like, share, subscribe and subscribe to Vishwablooms and click the bell icon. Keep supporting. Bye bye. See you in the next video.